Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
And apparently for no NDC 4% mo ka say Nana Asebe okika ye tribom no a wonye papa no. Nti esi an ye mefa Mr. President Mahama. And na me busa say, now are you talking about President Mahama na no ho na oye jida ene sada. President Mahama was onye in confirm. Amagana in confirm no omo nyina tukoye. Ba kokura point me ama se Ghana for kran nya confirm ba ko anfa anya light.
You almost say has asem no nya no kro.
Okay, and na ya keka but anyway, the American base nyina ne semini about. The American kire the youth and the people of this country, especially the youth. So utia, so we a young person. So we school. Na so nam ho na me pese me susuam pa say. Into so we show life over the next 3 to 5 years no. What do you think your life is going to be like? I can't na Akufo-Addo 3 years. Do you think Nana Akufo-Addo can change your life? Or is it going to be just the family and friends, Nana, or more prosper? So, Ocean Nana Akufo-Addo, powerful said 3 years, Yake. Obey me anything significant to change your life. Apart from slogans, Agenda 111, one district, one dam. You have Brenna, Nana Sadi, Nana. You have been a great disappointment. If you are listening, you still have 3 years. Say, Bianca, beat me, down, one man, your master. So, now, so you're youth, and so, now, so we share across the parapet as President Kwame Nkrumah. It is our NDC. I'm a Siampa say Nana President Mahama is time back. Lordina Foundation Bill. One of them best I'm strong. And if you are a youth in Ghana, Nami Busao, we be a school no. Still, one more minimum be a school 7 years. Or that's what Dani Papa Sasso. Or Soyano Panu or Kokroma. Just say still Okohunima make a chance mommy. Umami 20 Ghana. Nima me ton tomatoes nimoko. I will table so if you him. So, say nipa na wo we school, young man na we school, be 7 years ni. O girlfriend, wo hia na wo betimi aware no. Ana mo da so gina modo baase. Mutimi high dying. When you adwuma ye. This is the destiny if you continue to vote for NPP and NDC. Omo NDC for no bot totals, omo boy totals kakra, youth omo boy totals kakra, no ma pass ya ma NDC. Na President Mahama so wa shine dangbeshi, na akwa akoduru Ibrahim Mahama ho, no ma pass na akwa akoduru Kenoforiata ho no so wa chest. And what is happening here?
Omo
defe yen. So ho, enti the American question nyina say if you are a youth listening to me today, I want to appeal to you to look at yourself and project yourself. In 3 years' time, Susiampa, where do you think Nana Akufo-Addo can take you? Can he take you anywhere at all? And if you think Mahama is the key, do you think he can take you anywhere? Last time we have seen the John Mahama movie before. We don't want to see it again.
And in this situation, what is the CPP doing to be more attractive?
Well, you see, thank you for the question. CPP, no matter what are we doing to be more attractive? I mean,
because
there be young kind of crano. And yes, be a CPP chef for more. It is because CPP, with respect to the listener, CPP ain't 8 years Ghana for.
Okay.
What I said, young kind of crane in the entire CPP in popular no. It's because your man out to say will be 100 cities.
Okay.
This is what MPP and NDC are doing. But you need to say the best and I will be so because we are the patriots. Oh, says Sikana or my head you. Say this year from January to June, government of Ghana Bobusia 43 billion cedis. And even on the 2 year workers. But remember, President no our president said yeah, presidency no, sa position no. Israel bata ho so I say enam wo ho and I was say enam wo president adwumam say the be ya onko bokro no but he say president no kra no what ni sika nso no enti omo se den wato ni sikam 10 cities bia no the 7 cities almost 8 cities aka ho the ministers no omo nyina ya sikafo ya to omo pay mu members of parliament enya $28 million to go and buy luxury car na susuan pa sa otie sansi bontefu na wo MP akoto luxury car na munya nsuo nom. So when these are the things happening, it's akwa to say politics na ekon. People say CPP is not attractive. CPP is attractive. CPP is you and I. CPP is you and I being patriots of this country and putting our lives on the line so that we can raise the profile of this country, so that we can change the economy of this country. But if so okwa campaign will be catch or say na CPP for the muntia. Well, I know na ma gina ba bi gina yi. Nkrofo no ba so hu de omoye. So one for position kesi na ama ne cousin ana ni nua so ho hwe de ode ye So I would person all I'm saying is that if you are the youth in Ghana today, you ought to give CPP a chance because we are looking at building a new Ghana, a Ghana beyond President Akufo-Addo, a Ghana beyond President Mahama. In this Ghana, no, it doesn't matter what your name is. So Udino, Akufu, and Kaho, and I say Addo Nkaho. Still, you can get a good job in this Ghana. In this Ghana, no, we are not going to be beholden to the minerals. Two bauxite. Now go to Kuradiana Ghana na to power bauxite. We are looking forward to the new technologies, the emerging technologies. And I'll talk about just one. Say solar energy. Okay. Ghana, our latitude 4 degrees north. So the energy content of the sun at latitude 4 degrees north is more than 2,000 watts per square meter. Now, Germany, our latitude 31 degrees north, energy content of the sun in Germany, latitude 31, no, less than 1,000 watts per square meter. But Germany, our over 38 gigawatts of solar energy alone. Forget about nuclear, hydro, and the rest. So we see people, we are the party of science and technology. And we are saying, we need to be getting ahead of that curve and taking advantage of the emerging technologies. Solar energy, we are talking about drone aviation. We are talking about gaming. Gaming, bet way. Me gaming now, meaning about gaming, no. You are talking about the $1 million industry of gaming. A man no so what to trot Roma. I will say man who bought game be on my phone. So I say ball round be near drop but now I say yes, and in America, those games are designed on the internet. A $1 billion industry. So call Europe, any China, any idea, youth no, or designing games at home, internet so any phone so it's a download where to say the Shatawali abonnement wa download no. They are youth around the world that every month to make $800,000 a year because game no designing no. I hate it to say the Shatawali abonnement. I'm not hate it. These are the new technologies. We are talking about drone aviation. You understand? At the end yet, Ghana say no, make us my back one. There's an emerging opportunity area be electric vehicles. So we sure America and almost set economic trends. Almost say by 2030, even pickup crown ya plug and you super petrol bio. And who decided no tone China? We say bare 2 months ago, meaning about Central region or might discover lithium ion. Yeah. So and lithium ion say be what Volta region. These are the raw materials here, the batteries for electric vehicles, which are the emerging technologies of the near future.
Yes, Ghana, we are so much blessed to the extent to say,
Oba intina Ghana forecast and anado buy and one who's an anado no co school abrochiri or near abrofu co school, members of the European royal family, no near cast and anado buy baby. Say now, just say, you burn your face in one or the other, just say Ghana, yet to papa. So intina make us say, the CPP is the party of the future. We are looking beyond President Akufo-Addo. At a Ghana beyond President Mahama. Now the Americans say, youth no, I was saying Mobabeka CPP, who near build it, CPP no, and Ghana together. So
now we NPP, NDC, CPP, eba third force.
Well, I think so.
Two parties, baby.
Well,
now be taking the realms of government.
Well, I think so. We are the first force, but we have been a sleeping giant. Okay. So okay, say third force. I will say yeah, no, yeah.
Say no. I say two parties system. They practice for Ghana. NDC, NPP,
true.
And they say now more CPP, person more force on more ban. Some team such a mumu say now I say mother. They say munyane.
I mean about the pan now person who says CPP. You must say nyane ana me to us. Say saying. Nyana me jina here make us say.
Policies ni ade.
Oh, when you know me.
Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.